All right, here we are asked to simplify this by rationalizing the denominator. All right, in order for us to be able to solve this, we are simply multiplying both the denominator and the numerator by the conjugate of the denominator. All right, and in the conjugate, this sign is going to be minus. Okay, so we are going to have 2 times 3 root 5 minus 4 all over 3 root 5 minus 4, sorry, plus 4 times 3 root 5 minus 4. All right, so in multiplying this one, we are going to have 2 times this, we're going to have 6 root 5. 2 times this minus 8 all over. For this one, we are going to use the idea of difference of two squares. All right, the difference of two squares. So here we are going to have 3 root 5 square minus 4 squared. Okay, so moving forward, we having for this is 6 root 5 minus 8. Then here, what we have in here is simply 3 square times root 5 squared minus 4 squared. All right, so here we are going to have 9 times root 25, okay, minus 4 squared. So here is 9 times 5 minus 4 squared. So here we are having 45 minus 4 squared, okay? So we are having 6 root 5 minus 8 all over 45 minus 4 square is 16. Okay? So our final answer is going to be 6 root 5 minus 8 all over 45 minus 16 is going to give us 29. So this is our final answer.